Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Nissan Qashqai 2016 with a cylinder misfire on number 2. Plugs and coils are changed as normal, but that didn't solve the problem, so we decided to go proper diagnostics, and we did a cylinder compression test, and absolutely no compression on cylinder number 2. As you can see here, I told the customer 99.9% of the time we have a burnt valve or a bent valve or something wrong with the valves, and this now proves my point. We have a burnt out exhaust valve on cylinder number 2, hence no compression. As you can see, how the other 2 exhaust valves are burning. Number 3, not that bad. Number 4 is a bit better. That's on a Nissan Qashqai 2016 with a 1.2 DIG-T engine.